Hello, I'm Tarla Dalal speaking. I'm going to make Rajma Cheese Parathas. Well, you have heard lots of parathas, gobi paratha, aloo paratha, methi paratha, many varieties of paratha. But nobody's heard about Rajma paratha. And let me tell you, Rajma has got a lot of food values like protein and rich iron. They are very different and yet very tasty. So let's make a lovely new style of parathas. Easy to make. So we start making a dough. Previously, lots of plain flour, maida, was used for making parathas. But now everybody is health conscious, so we have whole wheat flour. So this is milk. Why milk? It gives a little crispiness and whiteness to the parathas. A pinch of salt. And add little extra water, make a dough. So I'm going to make a dough. And the dough should be semi-soft. See, the bowl is clean and the dough is ready. So now we start making the paratha. But let's make first the stuffing. So I'll show you the stuffing. And remember, keep the dough for half an hour before making paratha. Let's make the paratha mixture. This is oil, very little oil. My God, it's too little. So we are going to fry little onion, finely chopped garlic. Cook for a while. Add chopped tomatoes. Cook again. Now I must tell you one thing. After adding the tomatoes, we are going to add the boiled and mashed rajma. For that, you have to soak the rajma overnight. Then cook them in a pressure cooker, drain them well and mash them. That's the procedure to prepare the rajma. So now, after adding this, we are going to add the rajma. Don't get horrified if the color changes. When rajma you mash them, they become little whitish. So this is the rajma. Then we are going to add salt. Rajma is tasteless, so it requires a lot of masala. Chilli powder, that's to your liking. Turmeric powder, little coriander and coriander cumin seed powder. So we are going to cook for a while. The mixture is dry, add little curds. So we have added the curd. And now go on cooking until the mixture dries up. See, now it's looking pretty. So let this mixture dry up a little bit. So we'll be able to make parathas. But one thing I want to tell you, well, don't you like this mixture? Put it on toast and eat it. If you don't want to roll the parathas, put it on nice toast and make it. It's equally tasty. It's very good. So, and another thing, rajma, you can always boil and keep them advanced in your fridge. They stay at least for 5-6 days. So you can use for making parathas, you can make use for the soup, you can use for the salad, whatever you like. Or rajma curry. So now the mixture is dry. See, the mixture is quite dry. So now we are going to roll the dough. Well, one should be good at rolling. If you are not good at it, put it on toast. I told you the shortcut. It tastes equally good. So one has to be good at rolling. So see, this is rolled out. So now what you do is this, cook it partially. So let's cook it, and let me tell you, you can cook partially and keep them ready, make a stack and keep them ready. When the guest comes or when you have to make any parathas, take out the stack and I'll show you how to serve. It's very simple. See, this is partially cooked. So take it out on a plate. Did you see now how it is done? Okay. So now I'm going to stuff the parathas. It's so simple. You see it here. Put the rajma in the center. And the best part of the rajma paratha is cheese. And that gives you calcium. That's why it is known as Rajma Cheese Parathas. When you have any other problem with cheese, don't add cheese. Add little grated paneer, or without cheese also, it will come out very well. It depends on. Now, what do? Just fold it. That's it. You know what is envelope? That's it. Your envelope is ready. Did you see the envelope? Yeah. So now we are going to cook the paratha. Add a very little oil and cook them. And always put the folded side down. Remember this. Okay. Cook. Now brush with oil. So that's your paratha. It's so simple. Wow. So it's getting ready, folded paratha. Just cook, no need for oil again. So our paratha is ready. Cut and serve, or if you like it, serve as it is. It's beautiful. I would like to give a little small hint to the housewives. You have a leftover dry sabjis like cabbage or paneer and potatoes and green peas, whatever dry sabji you have. You can fill up the dry sabji with little cheese on top. Children will love it. So you have many choices over here, and make these parathas and let me know how it comes out. It's just tasty and gorgeous. Something different and people will love it. If you enjoy our recipes, click like. To see more of my recipes, click here. Please share your comments. I would love to hear them. I'm waiting for them.